Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon light bulb. Let's begin in the center of the page with two circles for the eyes. We'll start with the one on the left, from the top, come all the way around, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Then we'll add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. Let's add a smaller circle along the bottom right. And then we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now we're going to move in between the eyes and draw a straight line going across the mouth. Go back to the left side, curve the bottom coming down and then up. Add a straight line for the teeth, and then a curve across the bottom for the tongue. And we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now I want to surround the face with a large circle for the bulb. So starting directly underneath the left eye, go all the way around, go up toward the top and then in, come around the right side, and then bend that in underneath the right eye. Let's come straight down the side of the bulb, and I'll round out the corners, and then flatten off the bottom. Let's add that bump across the bottom. And go all the way up toward the top, draw a straight line. And then from the top right, we're going to add a series of angle lines coming down. Now let's sign out art and add a splash of color. And this is our cute cartoon drawing of a light bulb. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.